Welcome to my channel Digital Challenge Academy with Rimanshu.
Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to day 34 of our O-level exam preparation series. I'm so happy to see you all again. We've worked really hard and successfully mastered both LibreOffice Writer and Calc in our previous sessions. Well, now it's time to bring our ideas to life with LibreOffice Impress. This is where we get a bit creative, but make no mistake, whether it's transitions or timing, Impress has its very own specific set of rules that you absolutely must know for the O-level exam. Let's dive right into this explainer. So, I have to ask you, are you ready to completely master LibreOffice Impress and secure those full marks? Think of me as your study partner today. We've got 30 must-know multiple-choice questions distilled from our source material, and we're going to tackle them together. If you pay close attention today, I promise you won't lose a single mark on these topics.
Coming to the next point, let's just quickly look at our agenda for today's session. Number 1, presentation basics. Number 2, transitions and animations. Number 3, our shortcut sprint. And number 4, homework and conclusion.
All right, Section 1, Presentation Basics.
Let's kick off the first round of our exam sprint, focusing on some fundamental interface questions. These are easy marks, guys. First question, what is the default file extension for LibreOffice Impress? The answer is .odp, which stands for Open Document Presentation. I really want you to lock this basic but extremely crucial fact into your memory. Whenever you save a brand new Impress file without changing any settings, it will always save as a .odp file. Please don't confuse it with .odt for Writer or .ods for Calc. Impress is .odp, P for presentation. Very simple. Moving to our next vital statistic. Question, what is the maximum zoom level in LibreOffice Impress? Well, take a look at this number. As you can see here, it is a massive 3,000%. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. Impress allows a much higher zoom level compared to Calc or Writer. This is a super common question because examiners know that students just assume the zoom limits are exactly the same across all LibreOffice programs. But they aren't. In Impress, you can zoom all the way in to 3,000%.
Okay, next question. Where exactly is the slide sorter view found in the interface? The correct answer is the View menu. Please don't get confused in the exam hall and just guess Slide menu or Tools menu because it sounds right. If you want to change how you view your presentation, whether it's Normal View, Outline View, or Slide Sorter View, you must always go to the View menu. Knowing this simple path is going to save you from losing some very easy marks.
Moving on to Section 2, Transitions versus Animations.
Now I have to warn you guys, examiners absolutely love to test you on this classic NIELIT trick question. So let's clear this up with a quick call and response, just like we're in a live classroom together. Tell me, does the transition apply to an object or a slide? The answer is the slide. Now, does an animation apply to a slide or an object? The answer is the object. The crucial point to remember is this. Transitions happen between slides, like when you're moving from slide 1 to slide 2. Animations happen on the slide itself, like making a picture fly in or making text appear word by word. So, transition equals slide to slide, and animation equals object. Just fix this in your mind.
All right, time for Section 3, Shortcut Sprint. I want everyone highly alert for this part. We're going to mimic the urgency of the actual exam environment. I'll state the action, give a tiny pause, and then reveal the shortcut. Ready? Let's go. Action. Start the slideshow from the very first slide. The shortcut is F5. Action. Start the slideshow from the current slide you are editing. That shortcut is Shift plus F5. Next action. End or exit the slideshow abruptly. The key is Escape. Final action. Duplicate the current slide. Careful here. There is actually no default keyboard shortcut for this. You literally have to go manually and find it in the slide menu. Did I catch anyone out on that last one?
Now stop everything and pay very close attention to this next shortcut. Warning, what does Ctrl plus M do in Impress? It inserts a new slide. This is extremely important because you might remember that in LibreOffice Writer, Ctrl plus M is used to clear direct formatting. But here in Impress, it's the magic trick to getting a brand new slide added to your presentation. Please do not mix these up. The exam loves to test if you know the difference in shortcuts between the different software.
And that brings us to Section 4, Homework and Conclusion.
We have sprinted through some of the most critical MCQs. How are you feeling about your score so far? Generally, students do find Impress to be a bit easier than Calc, but as we just saw, those specific shortcut differences and subtle interface rules can definitely be tricky if you're not fully prepared. So now for your homework question to test your focus today. Question: in which menu will you find the slide transition option? Think back to our discussion on views and interfaces. Please do one thing: write down your exact answer and drop it in the comments below right now. I actually check all of them, and I want to see who is paying attention today.
All right, everyone, that basically brings us to the end of day 34. To help you revise, make sure you download the free cheat sheet from the link below. It has all these shortcuts neatly listed out for you. Also, if you found this explainer helpful, consider subscribing to the channel at Tech with Rimanshu so you never miss an update. Your elder brother, your Baya, will be waiting for you in the next session. Up next on day 35, we'll be diving into network and internet MCQs. But before you go, think about this. As presentations become entirely cloud-based, how much of your Impress skills will actually rely on a perfectly secure network to even deliver them? Keep studying hard, keep revising, and I will see you then.
Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back.